Hi, how you doing, everybody? This is Carlos Hernandez with Realty One Group Summit. I just wanted to give you guys the opportunity to come out this weekend. We're going to be having multiple open houses starting Friday, Saturday, and Sunday on this wonderful property at 160 South G Street in the Historical District, Oxnard. We're listed at $795. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 2,000 square feet. So come on and check it out. It's a one-of-a-kind property. Thank you. How you doing, everybody? This is Carlos Hernandez with Realty One Group Summit. Just wanted to give everybody a special invite to come out and check out our multiple open houses that we'll be doing this weekend starting Friday, Saturday, and Sunday here at 160 South G Street. It's a one-of-a-kind property located in the Henry T. Oxnard Historic District. We're listed at $795, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. A little over 2,000 square feet. This house has many custom features throughout, and it's a one-of-a-kind property, a unique opportunity to own a piece of history. Come on and check it out.